Let's learn how to use the right and left functions. Here, we want to sort project IDs and project codes into two different columns. First, let's sort the project IDs using the left function. Select the empty cell where you want your separated data. Type equals to and the left function. Select the cell containing the project ID. Specify the number of characters you want from the left side. In this case, project IDs have 7 characters. Press enter. Then, double-click the plus icon to copy the formula to the entire column. Now, let's use the right function to sort the project codes. Select the empty cell where you want your result. Type equals to and the right function. Select the cell containing the project code. Specify the number of characters you want from the right side. Here, the project codes have 3 characters. Press enter. Double-click the plus icon to copy the formula to the entire column. There it is. Try it for yourself.